So hello and welcome to a Film Mixologist. Today we're on the list of D, and what I'm going to do today is I'm going to finally get to put the rockers so that I've got, you know, the valve train actuating properly. So one thing I need to show you is that when I took the engine apart, I took the care of putting exhaust and intake here, so I have preserved, if you want, the right order of the valves, so that I can, you know, now put it back. So what I'm going to have to do now is obviously get these bits and bobs here and just clean them out a bit and get it ready for install. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you in a minute in the engine how I do it, but basically I'm going to slide it in very gently and I'm going to start adding the different components. So there is a spacer, then the rocker, and then another spacer, and then the other rocker, which has got another spacer indeed. So yeah, so this is how this is going to work, and then I'll show you as I go through the process. Also, the other thing is that can be a bit fiddly is how to put the rod, which is actually in good condition. You need to hold the rod in place so that it actuates here. But anyway, I'll show you that. I'll show you that in a minute. It's here really, actually. Yeah? There you go. So, and also I've got the little tip there. So I've got everything I need really. So I just need to get on with it, and I'll show you as I go along. Okay, there you can see the first one. So this is the exhaust, and as you can see there, I've got the push rod, the rocker, everything. This is very loose for the time being. So now I have to put one more spacer, another the other rocker, and then another spacer, and I just need to close the installation. So I'll show you in a bit when I put the next rocker. Okay, so I got the other rocker, the intake one, now loosely in. So now I need a spacer. I need another spacer in there. But then it's very important. Let me see if I can show you very carefully that there is basically I have to align something here. Yeah, so that hole there, basically it needs to align with the top, because that's gonna secure, there is a nut that's gonna secure that. So I need to make sure that goes straight in, and so that I can secure it. So I don't know if you can see it there, but now the hole is perfectly aligned with the indentation in the rocker shaft. So now it's ready to be secured, and once it is secured, I can then lash the valves properly, and this installation will be done. Okay, so now the rockers and the rocker shaft is secure. So what I need to do next to finish this job is to set the valve lashes properly, and so now we should have kind of a positive camshaftage, which is good. So okay, so here's the clearance, and I'm doing 10 thou as a starter for 10. So now it was quite fiddly to get the feeler gauge in, but now I think it's okay. So I'm going to tighten that up, and and do the exhaust again and 10th thou on both, and I think it should be alright then.